Well, apparently I want to buy a ticket to Si Lom, but it's pretty full here in the BTS. As you see, there's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot of people, that's for sure. Check it out here. And buy. The way to buy a ticket to Si Lom station. Here we go. Your last one? Okay. It's okay? Okay, standing here. BTS, right? It's very crowded as you see here. I think you can find it. This is what you call mass transportation. Really big. I'm going to Si Lom station and let's see now. Do you know where Si Lom station? Which station to Si Lom? Second floor. Oh, okay. A lot of people. Yeah, pretty tired of here. Holiday times here. Sorry, Si Lom.
Si Lom.
Yeah. What station should I go?
Si Lom Road, Thailand station platform number 3.
Number 3 up. Okay. Popcorn.
Thank you.
Okay, popcorn. Okay, so station number 3 actually should be. Let's see how it works. Put the money straight inside, and then I have a card. Let's see. It's going. Si Lom up. Oh.
Where do you want to go?
Si Lom station.
Platform number 3.
Number 3 and
Go up this side.
this side.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. YouTube. Okay. Here we go. So now we are using BTS. Best way to learn is to try. Once you try it, you know. How many people? Look at that. Mak. Woo. Si Lom?
Yeah, no. This Siam.
Oh.
Yes. You go is Si Lom Saladem.
This side.
Yes,
oh, okay.
inside.
I hope so. Popcorn. Okay. So this side is Si Lom. If I'm not wrong. What cup? This side Si Lom? Thai. Popcorn. So I guess it's gonna be full of people. Much better to use mass transportation for them, as we think. Here we go. Gonna be crowded, that's for sure. Look at that. They should make it bigger. So, I didn't get it wrong or something too. Si Lom Station. I hope Si Lom, right?
Si Lomครับ Si Lom ครับ
YouTube. Mak. Wait for it. Just make it short. Keep little. Pretty empty. Nobody goes out. Yeah, this one, I'm vlogging. So
I went to Saturday.
What province? What province?
From Mindanao.
Sub-Saharan Mindanao. You know the new one? Sub-Saharan Mindanao. It's called Sub-Saharan Mindanao now.
I've been to Cebu. My home's there. Cebu.
You've been to Iligan. Oh, Iligan is near Cagayan de Oro. The nearest city is from our town is Cagayan de Oro. Yeah, I live there when I was young.
And now it's here.
It's so traffic now in Cagayan. Like,
Okay, it's here.
this one is near Siam.
Yeah. Everybody goes out with a water gun.
ผู้โดยสารโปรดทราบกรุณา
No,
เดิ
no.
นเข้าด้านหลังจริงๆไม่มีค่ะ
Oh, yes. What's Aladdin?
Okay, maybe this is the right station.
Si Lom. Chai.
This is Si Lom now. Si
Yeah.
Lom Road. This is Si
Check
Lom
the
Road.
YouTube channel called Blue Asia.
Oh, okay.
You see yourself. Israel.
Oh, nice.
Israel.
Okay, let's go.
Yeah, enjoy.
Enjoy. Sorry, people.
Tubig. Maraming tubig.
Wala na tubig.
Oh. What's gonna happen here is hell. Yeah.
งดเล่นปืนฉีดน้ำหรือสาดน้ำและแพร่ภายในบริเวณสถานีขออภัยในความไม่สะดวก
That was it.
ขอบคุณค่ะ
Short drive.
Attention please. Please refrain from using water guns, splashing water, or applying carbon paste in the BTS station. Thank you for your cooperation.
More fun, more people. Ah, very good. The BTS part. So when you exit, you have to use this card. I'll go just where everybody goes. Mixing up BTS and Songkran. Yeah, it's gonna be fun. So let's go there. that's fun.